By understanding the mechanisms of human mind, cognitive psychology enhances our understanding of human behavior and ultimately contributes to human flourishing and well being. Cognitive psychology is essential for understanding human cognition, improving education and mental health intervention, informing decision making and problem solving, advancing technology and human computer interaction, as well as promoting critical thinking and scientific inquiry, which is likely contributing to some sciences such as neuroscience and brain research. Cognitive psychology is important for several reasons. Number one is cognitive psychology provides insights into internal mental processes that drive human behavior. By studying how people think, perceive, remember, and learn, cognitive psychologists can elucidate the underlying mechanisms that influence our actions, decisions, and interactions with the world. Also, cognitive psychology research informs educational practices by identifying effective learning strategies, memory techniques, and instructional methods. Understanding how individuals acquire, process, and retain information can enhance teaching practices and curriculum design, leading to improved educational outcomes for learners of all ages. Cognitive psychology also investigates how people solve problems, make decisions, and reason through complex situations. By identifying cognitive biases, heuristics, and decision making strategies, cognitive psychologists can help individuals and organizations make more informed and rational choices, leading to better problem solving outcomes in various domains, including business, healthcare, and public policy. Cognitive psychology research contributes to design, development of technology including user interfaces, artificial intelligence, and virtual reality systems. By understanding human cognition, researchers can create technologies that are intuitive, user friendly, and tailored to users' cognitive capabilities and limitations, ultimately enhancing user experience and productivity. Cognitive psychology research informs understanding the treatment of mental health disorders such as depression and anxiety. By studying cognitive processes underlying these disorders, researchers can develop effective interventions including cognitive behavioral therapy, cognitive restructuring, and mindfulness based interventions to alleviate symptoms and improve psychological well being. Cognitive psychology intersects with neuroscience as well, contributing to our understanding of the neural mechanisms underlying cognitive processes by combining experimental cognitive psychology with neuroimaging techniques such as functional magnetic resonance imaging or fMRI and electroencephalography or EEG. Researchers can investigate how brain activity correlates with cognitive functions, leading to insights into brain behavior relationships and neurological disorders. And lastly, cognitive psychology promotes critical thinking skills and scientific inquiry by encouraging skepticism, evidence based reasoning, and empirical investigation. By teaching individuals to question assumptions, evaluate evidence, and draw logical conclusions, cognitive psychology cultivates a scientific mindset that is essential for understanding the world and addressing complex problems in diverse domains. The following are the importance of methods in cognitive psychology. Number one is precision and control. So this aspect is crucial because it is ensuring the validity and reliability of research findings by precisely controlling experimental conditions. Researchers can confidently attribute observed effects to specific cognitive processes, leading to more accurate and conclusions and theories within cognitive psychology. The second one is the inference. Understanding the causality is fundamental for developing interventions and treatments targeting cognitive processes. By establishing causal relationships, cognitive psychologists can identify effective strategies for improving cognition, decision making, and mental health outcomes. On replicability, replication confirms the robustness of cognitive theories and findings, enhancing confidence in their validity. It also allows researchers to identify potential boundary conditions, or moderators that may influence the observed effects, leading to a more important understanding of cognitive processes. The fourth one is hypothesis testing. Hypothesis testing guides the scientific inquiry processes in cognitive psychology, helping the researchers refine existing theories and generate new hypotheses. By systematically testing hypotheses, cognitive psychologists can accumulate empirical evidence to support or either refute theoretical propositions, advancing our understanding of human condition or cognition. Lastly, is the understanding of quantitative analysis. Quantitative analysis involves applying statistical techniques to experimental data, allowing researchers to identify patterns and relationships within the data. So, quantitative analysis provides us with the objective and rigorous methods for interpreting experimental results in cognitive psychology. By quantifying the strengths and significance of observed effects, researchers can draw reliable conclusions about cognitive processes and their underlying mechanisms, facilitating theory building and scientific progress.